Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm just going to be doing a video on how to use your command track four-wheel drive system in your Jeep Wrangler. So I got the manual out here, so we're going to go ahead and look through kind of all the modes you have and kind of how to put them into gear properly and everything like that. So, alright, so as you can see, this is the shift lever here. So you have 4 high, neutral, 4 low. Now 2 high is in the mode you're going to be in obviously most of the time. This is two-wheel drive, driving on the street, everything like that. So as far as 4 high, 4-wheel drive, high range, it says it locks the front and rear drive shafts together, forces the front and rear wheels to rotate at the same speed, additional tracks for loose, slippery road surfaces. So you're only going to want to use 4 high when you're off-road or you have some slippery road conditions like you would see like snow time. Now neutral is for when you will disengage both the front and rear drive shafts, and this is used for flat towing behind another vehicle, or what they call it in the manual, recreational towing. So I would assume this is if you're going to have it behind a motorhome or something like that, have it in neutral. All right, so 4 low, basically you're not supposed to go very fast in 4 low. Basically, you'll understand once you put it in 4 low. It changes the ratio, so you have more torque and more power at a lower speed, which is kind of cool. So that's going to be I'm going to be doing that out here. We're going to be going into 4 low, and you guys will see how slow we're going, but the engine RPMs are a little higher, and we're kind of moving pretty good. So, proper way to shift your 4-wheel drive system. So shifting between 2 high and 4 high, so that's 1 click up. You can do this with the vehicle in motion or stopped. I always like to do it when I'm stopped, but you can shift on the fly with this, and shifts can be made up to 55 miles per hour. And whenever you're shifting these, don't be hesitant with it. Don't be slow with it. Just be quick and deliberate with it. You don't need to ram it, but don't do it slowly. Just have a nice one motion type deal. What you do want to do is you always want to depress the clutch pedal if you have a stick. So depress the clutch pedal, then lift it up. I always do that, and that's what the manual says to do as well. They say that shifting into 4 low is possible with the vehicle completely stopped. However, difficulty may occur due to mating teeth not being properly aligned. Several times may require blah, blah, blah. Okay, so they want you to do it when you're rolling at 2 to 3 miles per hour. So we're going to do what they say here. We're gonna go in reverse here. And then we're going to go into first gear. We're going to roll a little bit, clutch in, 4 high, and then 4 low. Alright, so now you can see the part-time light is on, and we're ready to rock and roll. So that's pretty much all the manual says. So you'll see, now I'm in first, and I'm going to let the clutch out. So the clutch is completely out, and I'm going maybe 5 miles per hour in 4 high. So this is going to be the best possible traction you're going to have. So 4 low is basically just for kind of crawling around. You can be going really slow. So now we're going to shift out of it. This is 4 high now. As you can see, it's going to be more like normal driving. So you can hear the engines at a lower speed. We can go much faster. So if you're really stuck, so if you're driving out on the road and you're really stuck and you need kind of to get out, shift it into 4 low. That's going to be your best bet. Otherwise, 4 high. If it's snowing out, the roads are slippery, I just roll in 4 high. you need to get out of something, you go into 4 low. And that's pretty much how how it works. Nothing too complex, but definitely follow your manual. And you know, I always have my, before I'm shifting around, I always have my clutch in. Alrighty guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you kind of learned a little something how to use your 4-wheel drive system in your Jeep. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.